Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn vacation with My Nani Maa together, step by step. Holidays are full of maths. Packing, traveling, and shopping all use addition and subtraction. Let's practice with real problems. When we combine amounts, we add. Line up tens and ones, add each column, and carry to the next column when it reaches 10. To find how many are left, or the difference, we subtract, borrowing from the next column if the top digit is too small. Nani Maa has 45 mangoes and picks 38 more. That's 83. After giving away 20, 63 remain. To recap, add to combine, subtract to take away, line up by place value, and carry or borrow when needed. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.